Hey guys, since there's no more nesting going on, there's a family convention outside. They're gonna do whatever they do in families, except for Cutie, because she's not part of the family. Right there you're looking at is Cutie. She doesn't like the camera very well, does she? Andrew likes to play with Cutie. They're both kids, and both parents are just busy. I don't know what they're doing. They usually divide up into two groups of two, the parents and the kids. Hey kids, you want to come along? There, go join the parents. And Andrew is going to go find his mommy. Go on, Cutie. Be a good girl and go play. And that's basically what they do in families. Cutie likes Spotty. Cutie likes Spotty. Now, Spotty hasn't been out for a while because he was too busy nesting the eggs. But now he can come outside and enjoy himself. Andrew, you gotta join the group. The group's over there. Spotty, what are you eating? I don't know what he's eating, but I'm sure it's safe. He's been eating that for a little while now. I guess this is all they're really gonna do. Usually they would, after a while, they would just go back to the cage by themselves. Right, Cutie? But Cutie doesn't know how to go in the cage. She knows how to get to the cage, but... Oh no, not the flower. Not the flower, Cutie. Please. Please, Cutie. Please. Mommy grew that for you. And now you're just going to destroy it? Andrew's digging. Look at him. Cutie, drop that dead leaf. Oh, Cutie don't know what to do. And now what are you doing? No, Cutie, no, Cutie. Cutie? You're trying to find out if Andrew loves you? So what's the stat so far? He loves me or he loves me not? We already peeled most of the leaves out. Now Spotty's going on the cat cage. It's actually a trap. And Monty's starting to go up, telling Spotty to move your butt over. There we go. No, guys, what are you doing? What are you doing? And once they go up there, there's nothing really interesting. They just stand there. I don't know what they do. And Cutie, Cutie, those aren't the petals. That's not how you tell if Andrew loves you. Andrew's like, what? Andrew, you gotta find out Cutie loves you. He's like, nah, Cutie's too busy joining the group. Cutie's trying to be cool. Andrew, do you know what to do? Oh, those of you who play Final Fantasy, Andrew looks like a Chocobo. Really? He looks like a Chocobo. He's like, forget it, that's too much leaves. Or petals. And he is gonna go up the raccoon cage and... Okay, once they go up the raccoon cage, that's all they're gonna do, really. Don't worry, it's sanitary. think that's all they're gonna do for a family convention. But you want to know a really cool thing? Watch this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take Andrew. Come here, baby. Aw, yeah, come on, baby. I'm gonna take Andrew to his cage. Hi. Bye. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make Andrew stay in the cage. And the other cockatiels, they'll put them on the floor, and you'll see what they do. Come on. Go retrieve them. Go. No. I'm getting your water. Alright, go. I'll get Cutie. Hi, Cutie. Alright. Go. Spotty's reading. This is fun. Every time they call it, they actually fly. No. Cutie, don't land on Spotty. And then I'm going to open the door, let them in. That's not how they usually retreat to the cage. Usually Spotty just goes inside the cage and Cutie doesn't know how to go in. Which I was telling you a little earlier that Cutie doesn't know how to go in the cage. She knows how to get to the cage. Alright, I'll try to put Cutie in. We're finished for today. Right, Cutie? Stay right next to Andrew. Alright guys, so I think that's going to be it for now. And so, bye guys.